Once again, good day everyone. I am Raymart Cardinte. I will report the lesson for stakeholders and curriculum implementation. Stakeholders and curriculum implementation are people or group who are directly or indirectly involved in putting the curriculum into practice. They are include teachers, students, parents, school administrators, and community and government. Each play a role. Teachers deliver the lessons, students learn, parents give support, and administrator manage resources, and the government provide policies and funding. Desired learning outcomes. First, identify stakeholders of the curriculum. Second, enumerate the roles of each stakeholders. Take who are involved in curriculum and curriculum development. These are the person who are we call the stakeholders. Stakeholders are individual or institutions that are interested in the curriculum. Curriculum stakeholders. Number 1. Learners are at the core of the curriculum. To what extent are the students involved in curriculum development? The old view that students are mere recipients of the curriculum is now changing. Learners have more dynamic participation or the planning, designing, implementing, and evaluating. However, the degree of their involvement is dependent on their maturity. Like for example, planning. Students share their learning interests through survey to help teacher design lessons that match their needs. The second one is designing. Designing, learners suggest topics or projects that relate to real life situations. And the third one, implementing. Implementing, the students actively join classroom discussions and group work and hands-on activities. And the last one is evaluating. The learners give feedback on lesson or activities to help improve future classes. At the end of the curriculum development process, the fundamental questions asked is, have the student learned? When some college students were asked about their roles in curriculum development, here are their answers. Like for example, providing feedback, students shared their opinions or teaching methods to help improve the curriculum. Student 1. I never realized that as a student, I have a participation in curriculum development. It is true that as student, our learning is the basis of the success or failure of the curriculum. For example, if all of us pass the board examinations, it means that teacher education curriculum is a success. Student 2. In high school, our teacher would always look into what we are learning the whole year around. We have varied curricular and curricular activities inside the class. I think we as students should be considered in writing the curriculum. Like for example, students share their experience and opinions about what and how they learn to help improve the curriculum. Examples: uh, when students suggest adding more practical activities of cook curricular project, teachers can adjust the curriculum to make learning more engaging. Student number 3. When we were in the elementary level, our lessons were very simple. But now that we are in college, the content we learn has become complicated. I learned that actually our curriculum is spiral, and that the difficulty of the subject matter is also adjusted to our maturity level. Why why do curricularists place a lot of premium on the students? It's because the learners make the curriculum alive. Our A written curriculum that does not consider the student will have a little chance to succeed. Number 1. Teacher are curricularists. Teacher are stakeholders who plan, design, teach, implement, and evaluate the curriculum. No doubt that the most important person in curriculum implementation is the teacher. Teachers' influence upon learners cannot be measured. Better teacher foster better learning, but teacher need to continue with their professional development to contribute the success of curriculum implementation. Teachers should have full knowledge of the program philosophy, content, and components of curriculum and ways of teaching. Like for example, planning lesson. A teacher design weekly lesson plan that match the curriculum goals and student needs. And the second example is implementing the curriculum. A science teacher uses experiment and discussion to help students understand concepts from the curriculum. Some of the roles that the teacher do in curriculum implementation are: number 1, guiding, facilitating, and directing the activities of the learners. Number 2, choosing the activities and the methods to be utilized. Number 3, choosing the materials that are necessary for the activity. And number 4, evaluating the whole implementation process and making a decision whether to continue, modify, and terminate the curriculum. Let us read how the teacher are viewed as curriculum implementer. Students: I believe my teacher know very well our curriculum. She knows what to teach and how to teach it well. I do not miss my class every day because she guides us in all our lesson activities. Without our teacher, I am not sure if we can learn more that we can learn more than what we are achieving now. Teacher: as a classroom teacher, it is my responsibility to make my students learn. I have to give action to the written curriculum. I have to see to it that my students are provided with experiences to learn from. I keep in my mind how I can sustain the interest of my student by using teaching strategies that are effective. At the end of the day, I am very happy to know that my students have achieving the intended learning outcomes. I do this because as a teacher, I am the curriculum implementer. Number 2, school leader or curriculum manager. Principals and school head to have important roles in curriculum implementation process and schools. They should understand fully the need for change and the implementation process. They should be ready to assist the teacher and the students is in the implementation. Communication lines should be open to all concerned. Should the school leader lead in curriculum teamwork. Like for example, supporting teachers. A principal provide training and workshops to help teachers improve their teaching strategies and monitoring implementation. The school head visit classroom to observe if the curriculum is being followed effectively. And the last example is encouraging teamwork. The principal hold regular meeting where teachers share ideas and challenge about the new curriculum. And that's all for today. And goodbye. Thank you.